We just took in a 2020 Jayco Alante 27A. It's under 30 foot. It's got 2 slides and less than 15,000 miles. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Podata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're gonna look at a 2020 Jayco Alante 27N. Less than 30 foot, a couple slide outs, only 15,000 miles. Pretty lightly used coach, I should say. Single owner. We got it for sale for $68,000. Let's give it a full exterior tour and then we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. So we'll start on the driver's side, which has both of your slide outs. As you can see, they're both out. The bedroom slide in the back and then the galley slide right there, both with slide toppers, both with metal covers for those slide toppers. It is a V10 Triton, 320 horse. Can't really see much in here, but it does give you a little hood. Good little color scheme on this. I like all the black on it with the kind of cream beige look. Now all your compartments are side latching slam latch, but they don't have any holders, so they will kind of slide over into the other compartment doors, so you got to make sure you don't smash any together. But they are slam latch doors, which is nice. Next compartment, you got batteries, hydraulic pump, you got a propane tank down there. That is, ooh, I don't see the gallons. We'll look it up. Got another and only pass-through storage right here. See a little light in there. It's a top pass. It's a 4,000 watt generator. It is a double AC, but it has a shedding feature on it. Your tires on this guy are dated 14-19, so they're about 5 years old. Our size on them, which is oh my gosh, oh geez, it's right here, 245/70R 19.5s. Got a gray water holding tank, it looks like, right there. Dumps for it right here, which is nice. They're not in their own compartment, so if you get dirty, no big deal. You can see part of the leveling system there. Fuel fill in the back, put how many gallons it has on screen. Like I said, 30 amp power cord. That's what you see right here. It does have a pass through for it. Look how clean this little water compartment is. When you don't have the dump station in here, it really keeps it clean. No ladder though, one small complaint. Does have a backup camera. It does also have side vision cameras. So 3 camera system, little sewer storage back here, 5,000 pound hitch in the back with, of course, Hopkins 7-pin, 500 tongue weight. And I try to avoid the sun here. I think it was a 16 or 18 foot awning. As you can see, it does have the LED strip at the end of it, not mounted near the sidewall, which I kind of like. But you do have to put it out all the way to take full advantage. Quick connect for propane right there. Not much I feel like you could do with this compartment. Got the back of the furnace. Obviously your other double tires in the back. Got your water heater, 6-gallon back of the fridge, frameless style windows, outdoor TV with speakers, even more storage. And then the next one's that pass-through storage. The other side of it, at least. Looks like a 32-inch Insignia TV with Furrion speakers and a Furrion kind of multimedia device. Is locking capable. This is a J-Ride setup. I'll show you a sheet inside that tells you all about that. Gives you a little bit extra stability, which is nice on these Class A's. Oh, let's move that so we don't slam that together. All right. So there's the exterior. Let's jump inside, see what she has to offer. Couple entry steps that will automatically come out. I got the step off because it takes a little bit. Right when you walk in to your left, on and control battery disconnect, light controls. Oh, and then also cargo, 2582, never exceed that inside. So what you see right when you walk in. First slide out for the galley. Across from that's a jackknife sofa, cabinetry, fridge, bedroom, bathroom in the back. Here's a quick shot of the cockpit. There's your leveling system over there, mirror heat, battery boost, your shade control, 14,865. Wow, sounds like a V10. Does have cruise control directly on, little horn, multimedia device, and that's where all your cameras come on. Generator, start and stop, light control. Passenger and driver seat do twist. There's no workstation for the passenger, but there is power down there, so you could, I don't know, put a phone there. That'd be cool if that was a wireless charger, I wonder. Or if it had a little desk or something. Now, we do have some cabinetry in here. Just 4 of these. Nothing crazy. And you'll notice the ceiling in here is a little bit lower than expected. That is because we have an electric bed. So you undo that little latch there, make sure this key's on, press down, and away we go. Now currently this bed's gonna look a little weird. That light will automatically come on. This bed's gonna look a little weird. It's gonna look a little humpy. And that is because the ladder to get up there is stored under here. So it will lay a little bit flatter and be a little bit more comfortable. Pretty dang close to a queen up there. Very nice. I like these newer coaches getting these electric beds. And you just push a button. It's a heck of a lot slower going up than it is going down as expected. And then when it's all the way up, I wish it latched itself. It gets close, but it doesn't. Latch it, key off, good to go. Very nice. So they're gonna technically say 2 up there, 2 on the dinette, 2 on the jackknife sofa, and 2 in the back bedroom. So very interesting. All right, let's continue the tour. Televator over there, MCD shade behind. I can't remember. Let's actually check over here. Do we have, no, we only have nighttime shades, so only nighttime in this coach. Booth dinette does turn into a sleeper. It's actually kind of a cool little way that the table drops down. Let me slowly set you guys up here. And let me just quickly give you an idea. So usually they got a little latch you lift up and pull up. This one you literally lift up, start pushing down, and it has an assist for you. So you put it back up, very easy. You're not struggling to try to get that back into place. Very, very nice. Let's make this dinette look all pretty again. Phenomenal. All right. Probably what, a 44 by 76 inch sleeping area when it's all said and done. Lift control, USB, power all right there. More power over there. Overhead compartments that are skinny, skinny, skinny. Well, let's reset this camera so we're not angled so far down. Okay, well, that's gonna have to do. All right, making our way. Also part of the slide besides the dinette and TV is the kitchen. Kitchen does have a little extension leaf. Look, more power. And then, that's really the only counter space you have when you don't have the leaves in. Does have a nice big microwave, some storage up above, some storage to the side. Nice, good design. Extension on the faucet, not standard toaster oven, but it's here. It's a single metal sink. When I initially came in, these little things were stored right in that top shelf, and they fit perfectly there. The leaf. There's no way I'm gonna be able to put that down with one hand, but there it is set up. 3-burner stovetop. Furion oven. Pots and pans storage down below. And then you got 2 of these drawers directly to the right. Dirty in that one. And then last but not least in the kitchen, pantry, fridge, nor cold. 3-way, fridge and freezer. Missing a shelf. Got all the shelves in there though. 3 of those. It's down here. Another small one. Why not just connect them all? I don't know. All right, and that's pretty much the galley area. Oh, I forgot to say we got controls here. Slide control, generator, water tank heaters. That's kind of nice. That's a good feature. Water pump, water heater. Looks like it is LP or electric. Inverter, power control, thermostat. Oh, there goes the thermostat. So we'll unlatch this. This is locked. Got a nice pocket door. That's your only wardrobe in the bathroom. Those are actually shelves back there, believe it or not. There's a couple drawers. Let's actually just look at that now. It has a table in there that you can put up front in the cockpit area when the seats are turned. And then you got 2 of these drawers. Behind us is your bed, which is also on a slide out. You can tell from there to there. When the bed comes in, this mattress does flip over itself. Let's get this out of here. That's a filler piece for the dinette right there. Goes right on top of that table. There is some storage under the bed, which is actually kind of nice. So there it is right there. Much easier to open if you just lift the bed up, and then it has no restriction, nothing holding it down. So when this slide does come in, that bed goes like that and pretty much loses your walking area right there. It'll completely cover the right half of that storage. Speaking of that storage, we got 6 drawers. And this is a little, this kind of kills me. A little coax through cabinet doors. And then 3 shelves there. Oh, that shelf's a little messed up. Technically 3 shelves there. Now this TV, back up a little bit, is on a mount, but all it does is slide left and right. It doesn't come out. You can change the mount, of course, but it's not necessarily meant for that right now. Now the bed, God, this almost looks like a king bed in terms of the width. I'll look that bad boy up too and find out. Technically 4 cabinet doors, 2 overhead compartments right there. You got those shades, 3 windows on the slide, 1, 2, and then 3, all with the MCD shade, which is nice. Additional thermostat back here, additional AC back here. So this is a dual rooftop AC system on a 29-foot, 11-inch coach. It does have a shutting feature. So if we mosey on over back to our power panel, service 30 amp, water heater, reefer, AC, and then you can see the shed feature there. So if you have them both on, it's going to go back and forth between ACs to cool down whatever area needs to be cooled more. You guys have probably seen these bathrooms before with these kind of folding mattresses in front. I kind of like them. They seem a little skinny, but they're actually very, very usable. You can see you got your raised pedestal toilet right here. You got a little baby metal sink, nothing crazy, sponge drawer, some TP storage. There's not much storage in here would be my main and only complaint, but there is a fantastic fan. Adjustable head, shower head. Oh, nice. I'm gonna take a shower later. Pan, what do we think? 2x3 maybe? We'll find out. And it looks like you got your glass door enclosure right there. Oh, towel bar too. This is still accessible when the slide is in, which is nice. So that's pretty much our tour. Let's go look at my printouts, and then let's put these slides in and see what kind of accessibility we got. So our selling price, $67,995. You can see it is 29 feet, 11 inches, 14,860 miles, 72 fresh, 49 black, 50 gray, 2 slides, 12.5 tall, 320 horse. This is pretty much the same thing, a couple extra whiffs. Your exact floor plan is that guy right there. Here's some info on that J ride. See a couple bouncers, a little extra stabilized bars, some absorbers, and then the Jayco difference. What's weird about this coach is I don't know if it had an option list. This is the brochure. There was 2 other pages and it had no additional info. So I'm not sure. I tried doing some research. I don't think anything in here is an option, which is surprising because the 2 ACs is kind of a giveaway, but who knows? So let's put these slides in. Let's check out the accessibility. I will be right back. All right, so here we are. As we could tell, your front slide is in. You can definitely tell by that walking area. What's great about this floor plan, minus the bedroom, is nothing in the galley is lost. So everything, minus your walkability, is accessible. You can still even put the leaf out, do anything in the kitchen. Fridge, literally 0 effect. Same with the closet. Bathroom, the only effect on it is how far the door opens. But if you can't squeeze through there, probably shouldn't be an RVer. So very accessible, minus the bed. I guess technically if you wanted to, you could maybe flip that mattress so that's over there. You could angle that up and then maybe use this as like a long kind of day bed, sleeping area. Who knows? But yeah, there you go. So let's go look outside and travel mode, see what it would look like while you're driving down the road. Now I know I already mentioned it, but this RV is currently for sale. It's in Tucson, Arizona at Padada RV Center for $68,000. So not much change on this side, minus the awning and the compartment doors, but the other side where both your slides are is where the big difference is. All my contact info will be on screen. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, call me, email me, let me know what I could do to help, and let me know if you have any suggestions to make these videos bigger. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you have a great day.